Stop wasting thousands of dollars at the mechanic for a simple check engine light. If your car is acting up, you don't need an expensive professional repair shop. You just need the best car scanner diagnostic tool right in your own garage. Today, we are cracking the code on vehicle diagnostics. We tested the top-rated scanners on the market to find out which one actually saves your wallet and which one is just a piece of junk. Whether you're a hardcore DIY garage warrior or just want to avoid getting ripped off during your next repair, these three tools are absolute game changers for US car owners. Let's dive straight in and see what your car is secretly trying to tell you. First up, let's look at the AUTEL MaxiCOM MK900BT. This is a massive upgrade in the world of wireless diagnostics, packing an upgraded Android operating system that runs incredibly fast. It features full bi-directional control, meaning you can actively test car components like fuel pumps, cooling fans, valves, and injectors directly from the tablet screen. With its fast Bluetooth connectivity and OE-level all-system diagnostics, it scans deeper than standard code readers, pinpointing issues across the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags for almost any US vehicle model. Pros: extended wireless Bluetooth range, advanced bi-directional coding, ultra-fast touchscreen response. Cons: the large tablet design might feel slightly bulky for quick roadside scans. US buyers absolutely love how easily it relearns sensors and handles complex system calibrations without lagging.
Next up is the Innova 5610, a heavy-duty, professional-grade handheld scanner built specifically for serious DIYers and automotive enthusiasts. This tool excels at bi-directional system tests, allowing you to manually activate injectors, fuel pumps, and execution tests on the spot. It also offers advanced workshop features like data logging, hybrid battery initialization, and electronic brake bleeding procedures. The standout feature here is its lifetime free updates, ensuring your scanner stays completely current with the latest vehicle models without any hidden subscription fees down the road. Pros: free lifetime software updates, dedicated one-press hotkeys, excellent live data graphing. Cons: the wired connection means you are tethered closer to the dashboard during operation. Users highly praise the Companion app, which provides verified fixes and specific part recommendations for common vehicle trouble codes.
Finally, let's talk about the BLCKTEC 460T. If you want a straightforward, incredibly reliable tool that focuses heavily on essential system health, this is your best bet. It specializes in complete engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS diagnostics. It quickly pulls and clears codes while providing helpful everyday maintenance reset services like oil light resets and battery monitoring. It's designed to be ultra-portable and user-friendly, making it the perfect glove box companion for quick checks before embarking on long road trips. Pros: very intuitive interface, great for fast engine and transmission troubleshooting, compact and lightweight design. Cons: it lacks the advanced bidirectional active testing found in larger professional tablets. Customers appreciate its speed, noting it reads emission readiness monitors instantly to help them pass state vehicle inspections. Finding the best car scanner diagnostic tool depends entirely on how deep you want to go into your car's computer network compatibility. If you want to grab any of these incredible diagnostic tools for your own garage, check out the direct links waiting for you in the description below. Which one of these scanners are you adding to your automotive toolkit? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. If this breakdown helped you save time, please hit that like button, share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, straightforward tool reviews. Keep your engines running smoothly, stay safe out on the road, and I will see you guys in the next video.